composers, Mike here, and in this video you will learn how to hide empty tracks in your project in Logic Pro X. Let's start right now. Alright, so here's a track I've started, and I'm going to first share the problem that I run into all the time, and I'm certain you do too, which is this. You see all these empty tracks? Well, what will happen? You need to scroll throughout the project a lot when you work on a composition, at least if you start with a template for all kinds of synthesizers and orchestral instruments like I do. So the solution is to hide the tracks that are empty when you don't need them. And you do this by going into the custom key commands up here in the Logic menu, key commands, edit. Then you don't want to scroll through all these, so search for hide tracks. And here in the main window tracks you see hide all empty tracks and unhide all tracks. So you simply select this, go to key here and assign it to a key command you want to use. Since I have a numpad on my computer keyboard, I'm going to go for F16 here and F17. Let's use this on the unhide tracks. And now that you have those down, I can simply press F16 and look what happens. Voila! Well, apparently there's something there. Now, all tracks that are not used are hidden. And if I press F17, all the empty tracks are there once more. Try this out for yourself now, and I'm sure you will start using it all the time. Check out my links in the video description, and I will see you in the next video, my friends. Subscribe now and watch a lot more videos on composing music, producing music, sound design, Logic Pro X and much more. I'll see you in the next video, my friends.